Today, I'll walk you through how to add Yoast SEO meta tags in Elementor fast, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to optimize your pages for search engines so you can improve your website's visibility. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website where you can manage all your content and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Pages section on the left sidebar and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your site. Next, find the page you want to optimize and click on Edit. This will take you to the editing screen for that specific page. Now click on the button that says Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor page builder, allowing you to make visual changes to your page. Once you're in Elementor, locate the Yoast SEO panel on the left side of your screen. Click on it to access the SEO settings for your page. Next, click on Search Appearance. This section allows you to customize how your page appears in search engine results. Now look for the meta description field. Here, you can enter a brief summary of your page that will appear in search results. Make sure to include relevant keywords to help improve your SEO. After you've added your meta description, click on Return to your page. This will take you back to the Elementor editor. Finally, don't forget to click on Save Draft to ensure all your changes are saved. This is crucial, as it allows you to keep your optimizations without publishing the page just yet. And there you have it. You've successfully added Yoast SEO meta tags in Elementor. Remember, optimizing your pages can significantly enhance your site's visibility and attract more visitors. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.